Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. And I'm here to help you not only with the application but with an example routine as well, so that you have the order of application in mind. So this is a very gentle, hydrating foaming cleanser that can be used on all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it can help you to effectively remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, as well as water-soluble sunscreen and or makeup. And you can use it daily in the morning and or evening. Now let's have a quick look over my example routine that I have prepared for you, keeping the main focus towards the Ordinary products. So for the morning skincare routine, you can see that your cleansing step is going to be the first step to properly wash your face. Once you have rinsed off the cleanser, it is important to remove any excess water drops from the skin surface by gently taking a clean towel and patting all over. And then, depending on your skin concerns, you can then adjust the skincare routine with the specific treatments. You can see the order of application, you can see that those are all optional steps. If you do not have any concerns, you can skip them, but please don't forget your sunscreen during daytime if you are being exposed to the sun, to properly protect the skin from the damaging UV rays. So this would be an example morning skincare routine. As for the evening skincare routine, you can use the Glucoside Foaming Cleanser again to properly wash your face. However, if you have worn a mineral sunscreen and extremely stubborn makeup, you can use it in a double cleanse routine. So this is where you would use the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser as an example of a balm cleanser as your first step on dry skin to properly remove any sunscreen and or makeup, and then you would move on to the Glucoside Foaming Cleanser as your second cleanser to properly wash your face. And then again, make sure to pat off any excess water from the skin surface, and then continue with your evening skincare routine with the treatments that you feel the need, and then at the end maybe an oil and or moisturizer. And so then there you have an example routine based on your skin concerns, based on the order of application. Now if you want to go over the individual application guides, you will find them below the boxes. This is just an overall general guide based on how I recommend using those products, but of course they can be adjusted depending on the size of your face and what you may be using. But overall, please do not overdo it with your treatments. Now if you want to go over the example routine, which I updated completely, then you will be able to find it in the description box down below, and you can download it to your device. But now I want to keep my main focus towards the application. So first of all, what's important to keep in mind is that you can wash your face above the sink. That's completely fine. However, if you can, which I personally find very convenient, is take the cleanser with you in the shower, and then while showering anyway, you can wash your face at the same time. So of course, adjust it accordingly to your habits, but this is something that I highly recommend to properly get everything off the skin, which may not be able to do when doing this above the sink, especially when trying to remove your sunscreen and or makeup. Nonetheless, when working with the Glucoside Foaming Cleanser, you need to apply it to wet skin. So the first step that you're going to do is wetting your face, neck and hands using lukewarm water to warm water so that it feels comfortable on the skin. So let's go ahead and do this. Then grab your Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. Be careful, it's quite runny. So you want to make sure that you're not going to overuse it. So for me personally, I like to go with about that much. So more or less about a coin size amount, maybe a bit less, as it foams up really nicely, so you do not need a lot of cleanser. Then rub your hands together and then gently massage it all over your face and neck. So once you have massaged it all over your face and or neck for about 30 seconds to a minute, you now can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. In between, especially when doing this above the sink, I highly recommend using a soft, clean microfiber washcloth, in other words makeup cloths, which you're going to wet, then squeeze it out, and then use a damp washcloth to properly remove any excess of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup. This really helps to properly wash your face. So now that I have rinsed off most of my cleanser, I'm now going to use the washcloth to take off any excess, which mainly gets stuck along the hairline or around the eyes. So now rinse again. And now go ahead and take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water from the skin surface. So, and once you're done with your cleansing step, you can stop right here, and then during daytime don't forget your sunscreen, or now continue with specific treatments that you're using for your skin concerns. Now again, remember, you can download my example routines in the description box down below, and there you will also find not only some general skincare tips, but also the products that I have picked for whom they are suitable and what they do to the skin. So if you want to go over it, you will find all that information in the PowerPoint. And so this is what I wanted to share with you. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please don't forget to do so to see more educational content about skincare. And I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring. Bye.